everyone to Brush of Magic, where we lovingly take favorite vacation memories and magically transform them into custom artwork. My name is Ron Stern. This video is a time-lapse recording of the painting in a series of videos, so please click on the subscribe button to watch along and be notified when we post a new time-lapse painting. Today we're working on the painting Wizarding Wayfarers. Actually, we're going to conclude it today, and it features a young couple in love with Harry Potter world. Once the decision was made to rework the rendering of the couple, as seen in the previous video, the painting moved much more quickly. Their composition was also reworked in relation to the background elements, and I am much happier with the result. We've talked in past videos, which are linked below in the description if you haven't seen them yet, about the impressive dragon in the painting. The beast is officially a Ukrainian Ironbelly, and he's part of the ride Harry Potter and the Escape from Gringotts. The ride's storyline takes place in Harry Potter and the Deathly Hallows Part 2, when Harry, Ron Weasley, and Hermione Granger are trying to sneak into Gringotts Bank to find a Horcrux. If you visit this impressive attraction in real life, you begin in the lobby of Gringotts Wizarding Bank, where the bank teller Bogrod is waiting for you to open an account. The queue area and the ride are so well themed. Universal has done an amazing job of transporting guests into the world of Harry Potter with this attraction. After you pass security, you can see issues of the Daily Prophet newspaper, and if you're really paying attention, you can pass by an office and overhear Harry, Ron, and Hermione and Griphook planning to sneak into the vaults. And all of that occurs before you even get into the cart, just as the bank security alarms go off. Oh, and the dragon comes into the picture near the end of the ride too. So make sure you make that ride when you visit Universal. In the painting, I made the decision to change the color of the couple's outfit as well. I was looking to try and tie the color scheme more closely together and felt the muted cobalt blue and burnt umber united the painting much better. And here's a pro tip. We've talked about the value in an artist striving to do their very best, and the need to develop your own artistic standards of excellence by which to measure yourself. We've also talked about how an artist has to learn when to trash a piece and start over. And now I'd like to talk about an issue artists deal with on the other side of the creator struggle spectrum: giving up on a piece too soon. One of the most valuable lessons the art professors drilled into us when I was in art school was the need to push ourselves harder artistically than we thought we could. And part of that was learning to not give up when a piece gets difficult. It could be a composition problem, a lighting puzzle, or a conflict over color. Don't give up because you're frustrated or tired or just eager to move on to another part of the piece that's more enjoyable. You know what I mean? Stay at the problem, working it and reworking it until you know exactly why it will or won't work. And then, with that information on hand, you can make the decision to continue or to begin again. Don't hang on to bad artwork because of the amount of work you've done, but don't give up because you haven't done enough. As the painting came to a close, I worked my way through another decision. Many times I enjoy adding random elements to a piece, such as paint spatter or rough-colored pencil marks, or even the texture of the gesso base itself that seals the canvas or the paper I'm working on if I'm working traditionally. Thankfully, this piece is a digital painting, so I was able to work through a couple of different variations, and in the end, I felt the piece communicated better without the addition of the random elements, so I left them out. If you enjoy these videos, please click on the subscribe button, which helps the channel be found by more folks who may like them too. We're going to say goodbye for now, and we'll see one another in the next video for Brush of Magic.